In this video, I will show you how to post 20 posts on your Instagram post. I will also show you how to fix it if you can do it, because I also managed to do it for myself. But let me just show you how it's done. So what you want to do is click the plus icon at the bottom middle of the Instagram feed, and then you want to click on, instead of new reel, you want to click on post. And now you want to click on this button right here, and you want to select 20 images. If you can't do that, don't worry, I'll show you how to do that. So just select, I don't know, 20 images, just like so. And as you can see, I can click next and do it. If you can't do it, there's a few things you can do. First of all, you can change your region. This is one of the things you can do, but the simplest way is go to your app store, from then type in Instagram, and you want to make sure your Instagram is up to date. For example, mine needs an update, and I will update it right now. So this is basically what you should do. It depends on your Instagram account and your region. So if you haven't updated your Instagram account, that can fix it. Another thing is trying with different accounts. Another thing is trying with different regions. That's pretty much it, and this worked for me. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment down below which country are you watching this video from. See you next video. Bye.